the next few minutes, I'm going to be showing us how we can download, install, and set up VS Code right here in our local computer. So all you need to do first is to go over to your browser, and then in the search box, we'll be typing VS Code, and then we click the search, and then it takes us to the search page, and we scroll down to this, and then we are going to click this one that says download Visual Studio Code. And when you click on it, it's going to take us to the main website of Visual Studio Code. So right now, guys, I'm on Windows 11. So depending on your computer type, if you're on Ubuntu, if you're on Mac OS, if you're on Windows, you choose the one that suits you. So I'm going to just click on this, and when I click on this, the download is going to start. But for the sake of this video also, I have already downloaded VS Code here, as you can see. So I'm just going to double click on it, and the installation process will start immediately. It's not going to take a lot of time. It's going to be very fast, 1 or 2 minutes, and then the installation will be ready. Okay, so you see it says right here, it says Microsoft software license terms. So I'm going to click on I accept the agreement and over to next, and then where do you want to install it? I'm going to stay sail, next, and then next. And then at this point, you need to be very careful the option you choose. And so let's check this first box, we check the second one and also the third one, and then we click on the next button. And so at this point, it says setup is now ready to begin installing VS Code on your computer. So guys, we'll give you the full permission, and then we click the install. And when you click the install, at this point our installation says it's preparing to install it right in our computer. And the next thing we see here now is that the installation has started and it's already running. So the installation is almost done, and in the next few seconds we'll be using our VS Code. Okay, at this point I'll say big congratulations to you, because we are done installing VS Code. It says completing the VS Code setup wizard. Do you want to launch Visual Studio Code? And I'm going to say finish. And then at this point we'll have the Visual Studio Code ready to run. Wow, so we are done installing VS Code, and as you can see, it has already opened, and here we have Visual Studio Code here. So look at the icon here. Whenever you want to open it afresh, you can come to your desktop and then you click it, it will open. And then so you see it says get started with Visual Studio Code. So guys, congratulations, at this point you can start using Visual Code. You can also go to the file explorer, and then you can open a new folder. In fact, you can start using it to write whatsoever code you want to write. All right guys, congratulations, you have successfully installed Visual Studio Code. Okay, my name is Uka Benjamin. I'm a data scientist and a machine learning expert. I want you to subscribe to this channel. I'll be bringing more wonderful, perfect videos your way, and please make sure you hit the notification button so that in case I post any new videos, you will be among the first to know and to watch those videos. All right guys, thank you so much. So you can use VS Code whatever way you choose.